already cut grain.
Yes. And then this one is like soup. Maybe we'll get our hands dirty, so
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, good smell.
Huh?
Good smell.
Yes. Sauce.
Soy
You
sauce.
like, and then
What's that?
spices, garlic,
Oh.
onion. And then,
Oh. Good smell.
yes. And then we'll wait for a little bit more. You take one and then you dip it like that.
Oh.
Then